We having date night at the house tonight. Come along for the ride. First things first, I headed to Wally World to pick up some things. You already knew I had to get some wine and some juice to mix it with. Then I had to pick up a table cover and some wine glasses because your girl is extra. Checked out and I headed home. Fresh off of work, I hit hubby with some questions. So glad he chose 8 o'clock because your girl had a whole lot of things to get done. First, I had to get this table set up. I'm trying to be fancy, so I hit it with a table cover. Started decorating. I'm so extra. This my wedding bouquet. Got silverware from Dollar Tree. Back to the questions. Hubby chose makeup and pajamas, and I'm glad he did. He chose for me to cook shrimp Alfredo. Went ahead and took everything out, got right to it. Started boiling some water, throwing out the shrimp, making the Alfredo sauce, boiled some noodles, had to get the sauce just right, seasoned my shrimp, and got ready to cook them bad boys. Shrimp done, sauce done, noodles done. Now all that's left to do is cook the bread. Now I'm going to just fix us a plate and finish setting up the table. Asked hubby some more questions. He chose nasty beer. I won't drinking that. Decided to make me a mimosa. Working on baby number 2, so a lot of wine it is. One last question. He was so mad because he chose cupcakes, but at least he had dessert. Cut the lights off to set the mood, and baby, it was a whole vibe. Even cut the spotlights on. Look at hubby pulling out my chair. If he wanted to, he would. Look at my sexy baby daddy. Date nights at home would definitely recommend. Boy, we had a time last night.